Hi, this is the first in 3 lessons on the interrelationship between fractions, decimals, and percents. To show this interrelationship, we're going to start with a circle graph. So say in today's class there were 9 females and 3 males present for a total of 12 students. So we want to look at what does that look like? How do the males compare to the females on a circle graph? So we're going to start with a line from the center to the edge, and we would call this, in geometry, we would call this a radius line. Okay, so we're going to split the circle into 2 parts. And then continuing that line, we have the 50% because the whole circle is 100%. We split that into 2 parts, 50%. And notice also we're splitting the circle into 4 sections, so we have 25% and 75%. Okay, the next step is going to be to estimate if there are 9 females and 3 males, what does that look like? And so we're going to start with the center line, the center point, and then draw a line to the edge. Okay, and this is going to be my rough estimate of females and males. I know that there are more females than there are males, so my female section is a little bit larger. So here's my rough estimate. Okay, the actual female percentage is 75%. How we got that was we took the females over the total, so that's 9 over 12. So notice the fraction. So this is the relationship of the fraction, 9 over 12. If we know about reducing, we can reduce that to 3/4. So 9 divided by 12 is decimal point 75, or 75%. Notice over on the right hand side we have the males over the total, so that's 3 over 12, so that as a fraction is 1/4. So 75% or is 3/4, 1/4 is the 25%. So there is 75% females. Okay, so we know that there are 9 females out of 12 total. If you know reducing fractions, that's 3/4. Okay, so 9 divided by 12 is 0.75, and 0.75, changing that decimal to a percent, is 75%. So you can see the actual female percentage is 75%. Now over here in the smaller type is the males. There are 3 out of 12 students that are males, and reducing that's 1/4. So 1/4 is males, that's my 25%. So 1/4 is the same as 25%. And another way of looking at that is to subtract the 100% total, subtract 75% females, and 25% are males. Okay, so summing up, a class of 12 students, there are 9 students that are females, and that's 75%, or 0.75 as a decimal. 9 students, 9 over 12 are females, and that's 3/4. Now it's also, percent means 100, So 75 out of 100 parts are female, and the same thing is true for the males. 3/12 is 1/4, which is 25 over 100, 25%, 0.25. And that's the end of this video.